How to log in FC Mobile game with EA account. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. In FC Mobile, if you are trying to log in with EA account, then it helps you save your game progress and makes it easy to continue playing across compatible devices. So in order to do that, first of all, launch the EA Sports FC Mobile game on your device, whether it is your smartphone or your tablet, and then from the main lobby screen, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. From the settings menu that appears on the screen, click on the arrow right next to Manage EA Account. Now, from the pop-up, click on EA Account Settings, and it'll take you to a new website where you'll be able to see you are inside the sign-in page. Here, go ahead and enter your email or phone number associated with your EA account in the text box and click Next. On the next page, write down your password correctly for your EA account and click Sign In. And right after you do that, you will be able to sign in with your EA account. Your progress is now securely linked so you can enjoy building your ultimate team with confidence. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.